Hey guys, so it's Hecate once again. But yeah, another Halloween special video. This is a brownie cemetery cake. It's a brownie that I've decorated to make it look like a nice cemetery graveyard situation. So much fun. I've had so much fun decorating it. I really just like decorating baked goods. I find it so nice and soothing and all of that. So I've had so much fun making this, and let's show you guys how to make it because it's super nice, super quick and easy to make. So let's show you guys how to make it. So to make the brownie batter, here we have 200 grams of chocolate, 115 grams of butter, 90 grams of castor/granulated sugar, vanilla, 3 eggs, half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup cocoa powder, and half a cup of flour. And we'll show you guys the decoration, what we'll use for decoration later. First step, we're going to use the double boiler method to melt together our chocolate and the butter. So we're just going to melt them together and just constantly mix them, I think. So I think everyone knows how to melt chocolate and butter. We're just going to do this process. As you can see, the chocolate and butter have melted, and also make sure to grease your pan. Grease it and then line it with parchment paper and then grease it again. Make sure to grease it really well because brownies otherwise will stick. I've done that mistake one too many times. So make sure to grease it really well. So now we're going to wait for the chocolate to cool down a little and move on to the next step. This is what I told about the mold. It needs to be greased really well. So yes, now we're going to move to the next step. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add in both the sugars, so brown sugar, regular sugar, vanilla, and I forgot to mention this earlier, but a pinch of salt. Lightly whisk, and then we're going to start adding in the eggs one by one. So now we're going to start adding in the eggs, like I said, one by one, and mix it until we get a nice creamy consistency. So before we move on to anything else, we've preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and this is the consistency we're looking for, almost foam-like. Now we're going to start to slowly add in the butter chocolate mixture and mix it until it incorporates with the egg sugar and egg sugar mixture. So this is what the mixture looks like now that we've mixed everything together. Now we're going to sift the flour and cocoa powder, and we're going to add them into the chocolate mixture. So now we're just going to mix the flour and cocoa powder into the chocolate mixture. So we've mixed in the brownie mixture, and this is what it looks like. And this is why you need to grease the pan really well, because it's a very light consistency. So now we're just going to pour this into the pan. Once you've poured the mixture into your pan, now we're just going to lightly tap it against the surface just to get rid of any excessive bubbles. And then we're going to bake them. Now we're going to bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes at most. So after the brownies have cooled down, I've split it into half, and then I've just I've put a layer of chocolate spread there between them, and now I'm going to try to cover it with chocolate spread. And to decorate it, we're gonna try to make it look like a cemetery slash graveyard. So I'm gonna try to spread a nice generous layer of chocolate on top, and also on the sides, so that because I'm gonna try to put these on the sides to make it look like a wall. So we've built the wall, and if they look uneven, they should be, so we can get the whole rustic, deserted cemetery vibes from it. Now we just took some cookies slash chocolate biscuits, anything really, just as long as chocolate, and we're going to sprinkle it over here to get the soil part. So once we've finished with the soil part, we're going to do the graveyards part. So we're just going to insert them over here. So once we've got the graveyards in here, we're going to add some worms, and these look too long, so I'll try cutting them. And of course we eat the remainder. They're so good. So this is what the graveyard looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so... I really like it. It looks really nice and cute. So I'm not going to cut it because I'm planning on giving it to someone, a little Halloween gift. But yeah, it looks really good, and I'm kind of jealous of this person because they'll get it. But yeah, I really just like it. It was so much fun to decorate all of it, make it look nice and, you know, like a little graveyard. So yeah, this brings us to the end of today's video.
And it looks kind of scary because of these creatures and the worms. And rest in peace.
So this concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and do follow me on my social media if you haven't. So once again, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. And like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.